To start elimination. Jeffy, Isabella, Luna, and Pillow. You four have been up for elimination. The voters have cast their balance and see which one of you guys will be eliminated. Now let's go to the kick and stay area to see which one of you guys will be eliminated. It's Bill looking. I think she's dead. I guess she's safe.
I missed 6 for late announcement for round 3.
Whatever. It's down to the other people will be eliminated. Who will get them a vote? The other people will be eliminated.
I hope I'm not out because I did so much in this game, and I want to congratulate my viewers, the people I'm watching. Think of it, School Walker, Kids Review Toys.
We're not here with that. You're safe. Jeffy and Isabella, one of you will be eliminated. Let's hear the vote.
Turn it down.
Well, I guess Isabella's eliminated. So, goodbye.
Wow.
Down. Jeffy, you're safe. As you know, we're down to our final 7. Ooh, great! But that means there will be 5 people left in the next episode.
Want to collaborate with ease? Enjoy presentations.
People left in the next episode.
So what does that mean? Yeah, I don't get it.
Is some schizophrenic? Yeah, I don't think so. Emily, you might be right, but you corrected wrong. 2 people won't be eliminated next episode, because you'll be an adult elimination.
Woo!
For the lifetime, ever.
Woo!
So, this now channel is do not decode the FBI. The 4 people report the FBI with your felony, and the 3 people who don't call the FBI will be eliminated. Now start.
FBI, open up! FBI, open up! FBI, open up! FBI, open up!
Oh, what a sad. So sad. Well, Daisy, Luna. Guess that's it. Daisy, Luna, Arisa, and Pillow. You guys are in the danger zone. So it's time to prepare the road. One of you guys will be eliminated. Voters, viewers, and characters out there. Both will one of these people be eliminated. The person with the most votes, the 2 person who get the most votes will be eliminated.